All right, we've got some data here on the percentage of people that play online games given certain ages, and this data obviously is dated, as I suspect in today's world these percentages are much higher. But what we're going to do is we're going to plot our data, go into get a regression equation, a linear regression, and then we are going to estimate the percentage for specific ages based upon the data that we have. So real quickly, we've done one similar to this before, but let's move to the calculator. All right, we're over here at the calculator, and step one was we're going to enter our data. I go to the stat. I want to edit. Looks like we did a residual plot last. I want to clear that data. And I'm going to clear what's in L2 and L1, highlighting the list itself, and then hit clear and come down. And now we're going to enter the data real quickly. So we got 15 on the x-axis, age, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So we got five data points in the y-axis, x-axis, and in the y-axis we got 81%, 54, 37, 29, and 25. And now I want to get a regression equation for this. So I'm going to hit stat. I'm going to calculate. I'm going to choose option 4, which looks suspiciously like a slope-intercept form. And we're going to enter through here and get our regression equation, which there it is. And now I need to get it entered into y equal. So I go over to y equal. I hit vars. I go to statistics. And then I'm going to say I want the equation, EQ, and specifically I want the regression equation. All right, so we got that. Now I want to make sure my stat plot's set up right. So I'll go second y equal. I can see I did do a residual equation, so I got to make that change. And I've got it on the stat plot. My X list is L1, and I've got to change this to L2. So I'm going to hit second 2, and that puts in L2. All right, now I want to take a look at my graph, and I'm going to hit zoom, stat, option 9, and there we go. And we got a regression equation. Now from here, I want to find out what's the approximate percentage when somebody is 35. So I'm going to hit second, trace. I'm going to choose option 1. And so when X is 35, what is Y? And so it's approximately 39%. Y 39.39, 39.4. And you can see that it's got the little cursor blinking on the regression line. Let's go in now and do 18 years. So I go second, trace calc again, choose the value, X18, hit enter, and that's about 64%. Y equals 64. You see right down there at the bottom, X is equal to 18, Y is equal to 64. So at 35 years, it was probably estimating approximately 39% of people play online video games. At 18, it's 64%. I imagine today that's closer to 100. However, we deal with what we have. There we go. We're making predictions based upon linear interpolation.